got today Usuie, I think so, that's how it's saying. So this is a therapy, light therapy with the heat, infrared heat. Let's unpack it. So if you have like a neck pain or something, so it will make it warm and it will penetrate with the red lights, something like it. So let's check it out. So this device, so when you turn it on, so a few options, 1, 2, 3. So 3. There is a charging port like right here, so let's put it on. Comes with a charger. So what about it here? So it works for 20 minutes by the default. It turns off. Have a 3 position. First position is like 102 Fahrenheit, and then going up to 122, I believe. Got to check it out. So manual in English, how it actually works. It's charging less than 2 hours and works for like almost hour, I believe so. So it's already warm. Nice. Just like so. So charging port right here, and you're charging to your USB device. So before using, first of all, charge it all the way, and let me go and charge it, and let's use in a daily use, like a bicycle ride, home office, car driving and stuff. Oh wow, it's pretty hot. Yeah, got to get used to it. Yep, let's test it.